React.js itself is a library for building user interfaces, primarily on the client side. However, when it comes to setting up a React.js server, this usually refers to either server-side rendering, SSR, of React components or using a backend server to serve your React application. Here are the main approaches to deploying and running a React.js application on a server. 1. Server-side rendering, SSR, with React. Server-side rendering involves rendering React components on the server as HTML and sending them to the client. This can improve performance and SEO by providing content to users and search engines faster. Common tools/frameworks for SSR with React. Next.js, a popular React framework that simplifies SSR, static site generation, SSG, and serverless functions. It handles routing, SSR, and API routes out of the box. Remix, another modern React framework for SSR with a focus on fast user experiences. Express.js with React, you can use React server's render-to-string method within an Express server to render React components on the server. 2. Client-side rendering with backend server. If you're only serving a client-side rendered React app, you typically need a backend server to host and serve the static files, HTML, CSS, JS. Here are common methods. Node.js with Express. Use Express to serve the React build directory generated by Create React App or similar tooling. Example setup. Const express equals require, express. Const path equals require, path. Const app equals express. / serve static files from the React app. App use, express static, path.join, __dir name, build. / handle any requests that don't match the ones above. App get, asterisk, req, res, equals. res.send file, path.join, __dir name, build, index.html. Const port equals process.env.port 3000. App listen, port, equals. Console.log, server is running on port $port. Nginx/Apache. Use Nginx or Apache as a static file server to serve the built React app. These servers are often used in production for performance and security purposes. 3. React with API backend, full stack setup. For a full stack application, React handles the front end, while a backend server, Node.js, Python, Java, etc., provides data via APIs. Backend frameworks. Node.js, Express, Fastify commonly paired with React for creating RESTful APIs. Django, Python provides backend functionality with a React frontend. Spring Boot, Java another option for creating robust APIs for a React frontend. 4. Deployment platforms. Deploying a React application can be done on various platforms that provide server capabilities. Vercel, great for deploying Next.js apps, it handles SSR and static site generation seamlessly. Netlify, excellent for deploying static React apps, with support for serverless functions. AWS Amplify, provides hosting for React apps with backend integration. Heroku, can be used to deploy both front-end and backend apps with ease. Would you like a deeper dive into any of these topics or need help setting up a specific type of server for your React application?